Finally, may hotpot na rin dito sa Imus, Cavite. Sa wakas, hindi naluluwas ng Metro Manila para lang makapag-hotpot. And unlimited pa siya for only 599 pesos, unlimited meats, hotpot balls, and vegetables.
I'm just so happy na may hotpot na finally dito sa Cavite. Yay!
Another day, another food trip, guys, girls, and everyone in between. Napadaan kami ng Aguinaldo Highway and nakita namin si Hello Hotpot. Beside SNR lang siya and meron sila unlimited hotpot for only 599 pesos per person. May option din kayo na meron kayong separate hotpots. Kayo mismo yung kukuha ng food para sa hotpot nyo. In fairness the selections. Meron silang iba't ibang klaseng hotpot balls and all your hotpot vegetable favorites are here naman. From lobster to salmon balls, tofu, beef, at saka meatballs. Pinaka-favorite ko talaga sa hotpots are mushrooms. And actually, mas nasusulit namin ng vegetables kesa sa meats. And of course, meron din silang sauce bar. Natuwa naman ako na yung mga necessities ko for my hotpot sauce are all here. Peanut and sesame sauce, soy and vinegar, garlic, and yung pinaka-importante sa akin yung cilantro. And of course, unlimited drinks na rin sila.